was a mountain man all of his life. Had a place up in the backwoods, 6 kids and a wife. Money was hard to come by, so he did what he had to do just to survive. Well, he had himself a big black Ford in 1939. He bowed and stroked that flathead mill, well, that sucker sure could fly. He knew all the logging roads, and he knew how to take them curves in the dead of night. Now he used to run white whiskey for a man named Billy Carr. He'd load that Ford with 1,000 pounds of shiny mason jars. He'd make that run on into town. Old Billy used to say he was the best around. Jackie boy was on a run one dark and rainy night, when in his rearview mirror he saw the flash of another car's lights. Well, he knew he should be the only one on that road at 3 a.m. So it had to be the sheriff, or one of those goddamn G-men. Well, he flicked the switch and he killed his lights. He put his foot down on the floor, 'cause he knew in his gut this was gonna be one hell of a drive for sure. Well, he gunned that Ford as hard as he could along that mountain pass, but he couldn't believe that lawman was still right there on his ass. And then a shot rang out, hit the fender, took Jackie by surprise, and he took that bend a little too hard down by Clancy's Rise. Well, the back end of that Ford stepped out and Jackie hung on for his life, but all he could see ahead of him was 6 kids and a wife. And then the Ford hit a bank and it took to the air down by Danvers Ridge. Well, it hit the ground, kind of rolled around down near the Dead Man's Bridge. No one knows if he died, but there's a lawman that swears he took Jackie's life. Now the legend of Jackie Tiger lives on around these parts, 'cause they never found nobody. Hell, they barely found a car. But there's 6 young men that bear his name, and they're getting by just the best they can. Second, and he opens up the gates and he welcomes me into the depths of hell. in Dead Man's Creek, where the devil roams, waiting for another lost soul. Down in Dead Man's Creek, where the devil roams, waiting for another lost soul. Dead Man's Creek, where the devil roams, waiting for another lost soul. Down in Dead Man's Creek, where the devil roams, waiting for another lost soul.
I was walking out one day, rain was falling, clouds were grey. Then I saw to my dismay a child skipping by. As we passed, she raised her head, smiled at me and she said, Mama always says don't go walking in the rain. I said to her, why are you? She said to me the same question too. Smiled and shrugged and carried on, walking in the rain. Up the road on the right, there I saw to my delight an old couple holding hands, walking in the rain. As we passed, turned their heads, they looked at me and they said, didn't your mama tell you, don't go walking in the rain? Well, next I saw a man named Gene Kelly, seen him on the telly. He clicked his heels as he passed, singing in the rain. He said to me as he went by, my dear, you should really try singing as you go, walking in the rain. I said to him, you don't exist. He said to me, I must insist. I went out one day and I didn't come back, walking in the rain. I said to him, but you're dead. He looked insulted, turned his head, and here him real soaked through and through, walking in the rain. Go home, he told, for you're old, otherwise Mama will scold. Didn't she ever tell you, don't go walking in the rain? Oh, well, I said as a matter of fact, yeah, she did say that, but I didn't listen now, I'm walking in the rain. And now my fingers, they are blue like gold jeans, so blue, I spend my days just walking, singing in the rain.
Well, I'm a hillbilly hick and I'm proud of the fact that I don't follow trends or shit like that. I wear cowboy boots, a worn-out hat. I don't listen to the man, I don't take his crap. Hillbilly hick and there ain't nothing wrong with that. Yeah, I'm a hillbilly hick and there ain't nothing wrong with that. I got a worn-out dog and a beat-up truck, and the people around here, well, they don't give a fuck about the man in power. They think he sucks, he don't give a shit when we're down on our luck. Hillbilly hicks, there ain't nothing wrong with that. Hillbilly hicks, there ain't nothing wrong with that. Well, give me beer and women and weed and wine, and I'll show you how to have a damn good time. I drink all night till I go pure blind, wake up in the morning just to find that I'm a hillbilly hick. There ain't nothing wrong with that. Yeah, I'm a hillbilly hick and there ain't nothing wrong with that. Hillbilly and roll, I scream and I shout. I play guitar, that's what I'm about. I play it hard, play